Hello, welcome to T-Sport Bernau. On previous videos we've shown you what we keep in the back of the trailer. This video we are going to show you what we keep under the living part. So above here is the shower and meeting table, but we do have a storage space, so we'll go through all the boxes that we have here. The fast moving stuff we keep at the front so it's easy to get to, but we'll lift them all out and we'll show you what we carry. So we got the boxes out the trailer all lined up. We just want to show you very quickly what we sort of keep in them. So brake cleaner WD-40, rags, blue paper roll. These are always at the back because we don't need them so often. Then we have spring hangers, damper mounts, some metal for fabrication. Then we have some cable ties, mirrors. These are quite prone to be knocked off. This is an actual PE part. We just keep it in the box because we can fit two in that box. Then we've got some silicone pipes, boost pipes, oil granules, oil granules I think it is. This is so we can mop up oil spills if we need to. Tyre soap, sponges, brushes for general working. Then these are at the very front of the storage. These are the sort of parts that we need instant access to. So we've got steering pumps. We do actually run a PE steering pump, which I'm not going to lie, I thought it was going to not survive the sheer pressures and extremes of truck racing, but we've been running a PE pump on the race truck now for, I think, testing one race weekend and a few other tests, and no issues whatsoever. We also carry some rose joints for the sort of steering and rear torque bar. Then we have some wheel nuts. These are PE's own wheel nut. These are specially designed for truck racing, and this is to stop, so in the past we run some standard ones, and when they came together, you can imagine two standard ones coming together at 100 mile an hour, it would fire the trucks up at 2 meters up in the air, no issues. But now with these type of nuts, the idea is that they actually deflect each other, which is safety reasons. Also, what some of the more professional drivers would do with these type of wheel nuts is if they couldn't get past the truck, they would actually come and they would actually eat the back tyre to slow them down and then damage the tyre, and then they're instantly quicker. But we do carry the front wheel nuts just in case we still have a contact. Sometimes the face gets too badly damaged to use, and also if you're tightening and untightening them and there's a sharp edge, it can cut your hand, so we just keep on top of them. Then we have some front axle parts, so we've got some front wheel spacers, damper top mounts for the front axle. Then we have some PE custom made parts for us, which are wedges. We do keep various angles of the wedges. This we use for different setups, so different weather conditions, different tracks. Then this is the sort of box that we go to all of the time. This we carry the really fast moving parts, or if the parts we need in a hurry. So we've got some duct tape for when things get too close, we can actually tape it up and keep the truck looking mint at 100 mile an hour. Then we have a brake warning light, which we have to run now for low pressure. This is a PE part, but I noticed it has a Air Max stamp on it, so also a company from the BPW group, so it's quite cool to see them all working together. Then we carry indicator stalk just in case one faults. Then we know that these are diesel filters, but we actually use it to filtrate the water that we carry for the brakes and intercooler. This we filter just to stop the valves from blocking up, or the sort of jets from blocking up, because they're fine, or because they're a paper filter as well. They're really fine, so we can, and the cost is, it's not a lot of money for these, so we can keep swapping them, because some circuits the water's quite hard with calcium in it, so we can just swap it out. Then we have a gear knob, gear lever, just in case they're too aggressive. They're not designed for an angry man shouting at another person on the circuit and pulling the gear dead hard, so sometimes they don't have the easiest of lives. Then we have some solenoids, or solenoid valve. These obviously PE part. These are designed for air, but we actually put water through them, which controls the breakwater intercooler water, which we spray onto everything. These are not designed for water, so we expect them to fail all the time, but we haven't had one fail yet, and that's an honest statement. We do change them at the start of each year because the water sits in them for 3 months, and yeah, if water sat in them that it's not designed to do, then we change it for the price of them. It's an extra peace of mind, so from that side it's really good. Then we carry some other sort of fast moving parts in these, and that's sort of generally what we carry at the side of the race truck when we're in the garage. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope this was interesting enough. I hope I covered everything. I've definitely forgotten something, but yeah, it's too much to see. Thank you. See you soon.